triads in melodic minor keys. So now we have another note that we have to change. Up here I still have our harmonic minor diatonic triads set up. Now remember, in a melodic minor scale, not only do you raise the 7th scale degree, but you also raise the 6th scale degree. So that means we'll have an F sharp in this particular key as well. So what we have to do is go through and add all of the F sharps that we need to add. So we have one on our 2 chord, we have one on our 4 chord, we have one in our 6th chord, and I believe that is it. Alright, and again, this is going to change the quality of those particular triads. So let's go through and see what they're going to be. If we change and raise our top note of this diminished triad, it's going to now make it minor, so we can take away that diminished sign. Let's see, the next one was our 4 chord. We've raised the middle note by a half step, so now this is going to become a major triad. For our 6th chord, we've raised the bottom note a half step, so we'll have a minor third and a minor third, which is going to drop that down to a diminished triad, and then the rest are staying the same. So when you're in melodic minor, these are the triads that you will encounter. Alright, it's also worth noting that there is a type of minor that's used throughout composition called synthetic minor. That's when you take a combination of your 3 different minor types and use them within one composition. For example, it's not very often that you find this augmented 3, but it is very, very common that you'll find a major 5. So let's say you were in melodic minor, in a key that was primarily melodic minor. You most likely aren't going to see your 3 chord with that G sharp. It's just not used that often. And likewise, if you're in natural minor, where you normally have a minor 5 chord, most of the time your 5 chord is going to be major because that's the dominant chord that leads back to tonic. So even if you're in primarily a natural minor key, most often you will see a major 5 chord.